Hola, buenos días. Aquí está Ana la Viajera otra vez. So in this video, I'll show you the list of nature vocabulary that are similar in both Spanish and Chavacano. Alright, so here we go. First is playa for beach, rio for river. Then we have flores for flowers. So flor in singular, but in Chavacano, we say flores even for singular. So el flores, mga o mga flores in plural. Mariposa for butterfly. Mar for sea and ocean. Then we have sirena for mermaid. Sol for sun. Then we have luna for moon. Acantilado. So we don't pronounce the D actually for cliff. Mountains, monte. For plural, mga monte. Valley is valle, el valle. The earth, el mundo. Then we have, for land, it's tierra. It's tierra. Then the sand is arena. In Zamboanga, we actually have the famous pink sand beach. Cordillera for the ranges of mountains. Concha for shell. Estrellas or estrellas for stars. El estrellas. Semillas for seeds. Then we have for island, it's isla, la isla, el isla. Desert, we have desierto, of course, also the same. For cave, it's cueva. I think even in Tagalog or Filipino, it's cueva. For volcano, it's volcan, like volcan mayon. Then for the waterfalls, cascada, el cascada. For fish, it's pescado. It's pescado actually in Spanish, but we omit the D, so it's pescado. Then we have pájaro for bird, Onda for waves, Piedra for rock, mud is lodo, so it always happens, in the Philippines we have always lodo. Insect is insecto in Chavacano as well in Spanish. The swamp, it's pantano. Hoja is leaf. In Spanish, hoja is for singular, plural hojas, while in Chavacano, singular is el hojas, plural mga o mga hojas. That's it, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Ana la Viajera.